All right, so this video is a continuation of back to school, let's get ready together. If you woke up a little bit early and gave yourself extra time to do a little bit of color, that's what we're gonna do now. Foundation, I have on concealer, my eyebrows, a little liner, and some mascara. That's it. We gave ourselves enough time for a little bit of bronzer and blush, so I'm gonna tackle those two in this video. Now, if you have oily skin, I would say opt for a powder bronzer and a powder blush. However, if you have dry skin or maybe combo skin like me, we're gonna do some cream products. And I've tested these out and they stay on all day. So, cream bronzer, you're gonna do that one first. And bronzer goes where the sun naturally hits the face, okay? Don't overcomplicate it. Get a brush. I'm using this one. It could be, just look for a brush that has this shape. You don't have to buy this particular brush. If you're curious, it's the Danessa Meyerix My Kitco collab. Aerial Techniques is fine. Gonna take it, I'm gonna pick it up. Now think, where does the sun hit the face? Here. Here, like if you were outside and the sun was like beaming over, forehead, nose, and chin too. So this is a nice cream product. It blends out really, really nice. You really can't screw it up. The other thing too, so we're approaching September, or I think we are in September now. So we're in September already. School started. We're not spending as much time in the sun like we were before, or maybe you weren't like me, so you had to keep faking the tan. But we wanna hold on to that warmth. We wanna hold on to that like healthy glow. That's where bronzer comes in. And I will definitely revisit bronzer for us olive tone people, because once it starts to get into the colder months, we start looking green. So we're just avoiding that. So a little bit, just a little bit of this product you saw, I just kind of put it everywhere. And like I said, it could be any bronzer you like. I just like that one. Okay. Nice. Also, my neck is a little pale. If your neck is pale like mine, feel free to take that bronzer down your neck. And here, right? Because the sun doesn't, see now, I don't have a floaty neck. And you can bring some here. Okay, we have a healthy glow again. The nice thing about doing your complexion is you do even yourself out, but sometimes you gotta give yourself back some color. This is amazing. If you see it in the store, you need to buy it and thank me when you buy it and you try it and you're like, oh wow, and it actually stayed on all day. A blush. Again, it could be a powder blush, it could be a cream blush. I really like this one because I know it's gonna stay on all day. And when we're in school, yeah, we're not trying to worry about touching up our makeup. I put on the back of the hand, tap it out, and just pop it onto your cheeks. I typically like to opt for pink because it just helps to wake up the face. So if you did not sleep good last night and you're like, oh my God, I just need to like wake up a little bit, go for a nice pink blush. If you have like a tan skin, you can go for something like a corally pink color, just something that is gonna pop and wake up the face.
That's why we say go for something pink.
You guys know I'm a highlighter girl, but I understand that there's a time and a place. So now you could use highlighter or you can skip it. We're gonna skip it today. I think this is enough color for the face. Again, we're going to school, so, all right. That is it for color on the face. You see how slowly this look is coming together. Like I mentioned in the previous video, I'm doing this like split up just in case you got complexion covered, you don't need it. If you saw the eyebrow and eyelashes video and you're like, okay, cool, that was a cool tip. Today was color. Next, I'll be tackling lips. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.